Outline of the class is quality management. In module 5 contains the two chapters. One is a project planning, another is a quality management. So the first class contains the introduction and what do you mean by software quality. So software quality management. So it is mainly concerned with ensuring that the required level of quality is achieved in software product. So whatever is required for the customer, so the required level of quality is achieved in software product. That means all specification meets or not in the developed product. So there are three principal concerned at the organizational level, at the project level. There are two levels in the project. So the first one is at the organizational level. The quality management is concerned with establishing a framework of organizational processes and standards that will lead to high quality software. So the second one is quality management involves the application of specific quality process and checking that these planned processes have been followed. At quality management is also concerned with establishing quality plan for project. The plan should set out the quality goals for the project and define what process and standards are to be used in that software. So there are number of activities of quality management. So these are the quality management activities. The first activity is quality management provides an independent checks on the software development process. So there are the quality management provides independent check on software development process. It checks it whether it is developed quality softwares or not. So the quality management process also checks the project deliverable to ensure that they are consistent with organizational standards and goals. So whatever the developed product that will be consistent with organizational standards or goals. So this management process also checks it. The quality team should be independent from the development team. So these two are different teams. So quality teams, it should check the project deliverable to ensure that they are consistent with organizational standards and goals. Checks on software development, independent checks on software development teams. So the quality team should be independent from the development team so that they can take objective views of the software. So in this diagram it shows the quality management and software development. So there are two different independent teams. One is the software development and quality management process. There are two independent process. So these are the all the development process D1, D2 and so on. And quality management process, it checks standards and procedures, quality plans, quality review reports and so on. So what do you mean by quality planning? A quality planning sets out the desired product qualities and how these are assessed and define the most significant quality attributes. There are some quality attributes are there, and the quality plan should define the quality assessment process. It also defines the assessment process. It should set out the organizational standards should be applied and where necessary define new standards to be used. So quality plans, there are different quality plan structure. One is product introduction, product plans, process description of their software, quality goals, risk and risk management. Quality plan should be short, not long. Succinct documents, if they are too long, no one will be read them. So what is the scope of quality management? So here the quality management is particularly important for large complex system. So the quality documentation is record of process and support continuously for development as the development team changes. So it is important and it continuously Documentation is a record of progress and support continuously of the development as the development team changes. For smaller system, the quality management needs less documentation and should focus on establishing quality structure. And techniques have to evolve when agile development is used. So these are the importance of quality management, scope of quality management. So software quality, what do you mean by software quality? Quality is simplicity means that product should meet its specification, its requirements. Simply it says its specification. So this is problematical for software system. Why it is problematical? There is a tension between the customer quality requirements and developer quality requirement. For example, so developed product must be efficiently, reliability, etc. These are the customer quality requirements, and developer quality requirements, maintainability, reusability. So some quality requirements are difficult to specify in an ambiguous way. Software specifications are usually incomplete and often inconsistent. So this is the problematical for software system. The focus may be fitness for use rather than specification conformance. So software fitness for purpose. So you can ask all these questions. So software fitness, has the software been properly tested after development? So development team developed the software. After developing the software, has the software been properly tested? Is the software sufficiently dependable to the put into the use? If the performance of software acceptable for normal use? Is the software reusable? So you can ask all these questions for software fitness for purpose. Is the software well structured and understandable? If it is yes, then that software is fit. If the software is usable, if it is usable, then software is fit. And so all these questions gives answers for fitness for the purpose. So there are some non-functional characteristics also there. The subjective quality of the software system is largely based on its non-functional characteristics. You know, non-functional characteristics. For example, acceptability, security, all these things, reliability. This reflects a practical user experience. If the software functionality is not what is expected, if it is not working properly, then user will often just work around this and find over the ways to do what they want to do. However, if the software is unreliable, so this is a characteristics, or too slow, then it is practically impossible for them to achieve their goals. So all these PPTs are taken from Anne Somerville 9th edition. Thank you.